Yeah, it's only been a week, but an awesome week where I've learned a lot. We've got awesome players in the squad that I can also learn a lot from. So for me, it's a perfect scenario. We've got good coaches here, with good players, and also players that's keen to almost give advice and knowledge over to us newer ones. So it's awesome. Yeah, it's been a good week and a good week of learning.
Yes, that was fantastic. Having the young players into the squad and mixing up with the more elder players, more experienced players. I think there's good alignment since from our alignment camps and really the progression into this camp. Good understanding in terms of what is expected of everyone, and a good understanding that we do things together, so we learn from each other. It was good to see the energy and enthusiasm and how the players relate to each other and work together to get things done. This couple of last week, and we're looking forward to this week to continue with that as we build up into Saturday. Same week. Yeah, I think we actually have settled in our camp this week here in Johannesburg. We're quite comfortable with the surroundings in terms of where we train, and we found it fit to finish all our training here until Wednesday, and then to leave for Port Elizabeth. We just then obviously go into our captain's run and then into our game. So I think from that perspective, and with the numbers also that we have two teams, it's the best thing to finish our preparation here. And then obviously in terms of doubling up between two teams, obviously we try to keep things aligned in terms of our plans and the way we want to execute things. And that has been our approach in terms of whatever we've done in the different departments, and especially also from a lineup perspective also. So that we can apply those things that we want this year in terms of setting our standards and in terms of the plans that we are working on. But yeah, the players obviously the good students that they are, and the way they learn from each other, and the way we've simulated certain stuff to get to what we want. I think it worked well, and I think you're on the right track. Yeah, obviously it's not the perfect scenario, especially when you in my department when you use so much locks and players that gets injured. But in this environment, it's really important to adapt. We've learned over the years that we've got so many quality players in the country. Yes, it's said that when a good quality player gets injured and he's not ready to compete. But we saw also in the SA under 21s over the talents on the 20s, the talent that are available in the country, and it's a good time for these players also to get exposure and an opportunity to compete at this level. So when if you lose both that players is injured, we think about who's possible in the next one. And I can clearly say that the way the guys are shocking, filling their positions, how, as I said previously, how the senior players assisted the guys coming in. I think we've adapted well, and we're looking forward to see how these young players can sort of make the step up and impose themselves on this position at this level.
No, for me, the question was the difference between Storm and yeah. I think training standards is a massive thing, and you compete against the guys that's also Springboks and guys want to be here. So I think that just lifts the intensity of a normal training session to another level. And you would suppose that it is a senior environment, it is a national team, so the training standards and what they expect of us is probably a bit higher. But like I said earlier to your question as well, we learning a lot, and I think we're sitting here. The coach selected this squad because of what we did for our franchise and for our clubs back home. Um, they would just expect us to do the same and even work harder.
The season? I thought Gus was very clear in terms of the players that's going to be rested or players that are not available and the reasons for that. And obviously, the coaches or the medical staff and conditioning staff assist the players' workload over in their season in terms of the clubs and where they are, and also take into consideration the season that lies ahead. And I think with that in mind, obviously, decisions were made in terms of what's going to be the best for the players, because player well-being is very important for us. What's going to be the best interest for the players at this stage as we get into the season. I think you've explained it well. Nothing has changed from there since his last opportunity. Yeah, just for me, I mean, it always stays a massive privilege to be part of this team. I don't think it's something that you can take for granted, irrespective of how many years you are part of this. You're part of the cricket bigger picture, you represent your country. You've got to stay humble, you've got to focus on the role that you have to play in the squad to make things happen. And with that in mind, it just stays a privilege to have the opportunity to work with world class players or a lot of talent coming in from different franchises, different backgrounds, the diverse group that we are, to coach them. So it's a privilege to coach them. It's also a privilege to learn so much about different individuals and about the country and also to learn from them, just in terms of listen what the new generation coming in, how do they differ from the more experienced guys and how can we ensure over the next couple of years given the opportunity to ensure that we keep the consistency and that we keep getting better. So at this stage it's just wonderful to have the privilege of working with the spectrum of so many talented players coming into the squad.
Yeah. If I get an opportunity this weekend, it will be awesome in either team. I think for now, my focus isn't on taking someone else's role. My focus is purely on again. I'm sitting here. Course coaches saw what I did at our unions as a squad. We're sitting here. We got selected on what we did for our teams back home. So the main focus for me will only be to keep on doing that. Maybe just keep on working hard on that stuff that I do for the Stormers as well.